we are looking at how to pronounce this word in English correctly, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, including from ancient Egypt as well. So stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Let's break down how you want to pronounce it. Pharaoh. Both British and American English have similar pronunciations here. 2 syllables, it's quite simple. The rulers of ancient Egypt. Pharaoh. Overall. Pharaoh. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Stay tuned. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.